Today we are attending an in-company training from all the key collocations here in Esade Creapolis.
And it has been a very interesting experience, what we have done the last couple of days, last 2 days. It has been very useful, basically, in creating a visual feedback on what we are facing as a company.
So I really suggest people to attend these kind of events, because when you look from outside, first you think that it's kind of 2 days loss, because it's not really linked to your normal daily work.
It is giving tools to us in order to understand the difficulties and the challenges.
These type of activities are absolutely useful for each participant, because you learn a lot about the people and you learn a lot about yourself, and the only thing I want to say is please do it.